Hi guys, and welcome to a huge 2K pack opening. So without really much else said, we will go into the first pack, and I'm opening these bronze 400 coin packs. So let's see what we get. Oh, we get Anderson, who plays in the Premier League, so that's quite nice. Then we get Pineda and Gonzalez, who looks actually really good because he has 72 pace, so that's good for a bronze. So we could pretty much just quick sell those. So into the next pack, and let's see, skip back, we get Grippo, Koi and Ovakili. Okay, now the next back then is, that's also, we get no rare players, but we get a player with 70 pace. I think we just can all quick sell those as well. So the next pack, we get Gronner, Fraser, Morgan and Doyle. So we haven't really got anyone in this pack opening, but let's see, we have one pack left. So let's see what we get. Okay, it's opening. Oh, we get Inform Tosic in a bronze pack. That's really good. As you can see, it's all legit. If you see, I press the X button. Look, I press circle, and I press square. Look, it's legit. So that has been the huge pack opening. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, I would appreciate it if you could leave a like, and if you want to check up MSP or PSN, check out G2A. Bye bye.